Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. I'm at the Linq Promenade. It's a little bit chilly here in Vegas tonight. Standing in front of the Flamingo. Gonna take a walk tonight on the promenade. Nighttime. Although it's chilly, people are dressed correctly and they look like they're having a good time. So come on and walk with me. Let's check this place out, shall we? The Linq Promenade is an outdoor walking entertainment district. It's over 1,200 feet long and it's lined with restaurants, shops, bars, shows, and other attractions. Cars can't drive along it, which helps create a great place to hang out and explore. The Linq Promenade is located in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip on the east side. You really don't need a map to find the Linq Promenade since it's almost impossible to miss the High Roller, which sits at the end of the promenade. We entered the promenade from the Las Vegas Strip and we're heading east towards the High Roller. At the beginning here you have the Linq Hotel and Casino on the left and the Flamingo Hotel and Casino on the right. Lots of eateries here, including Hot Doggery and Gordon Ramsay's Fish and Chips. I've eaten at both. They're both available here on the New York channel. Hot Doggery, by the way, makes gourmet hot dogs with crazy toppings. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Nutmeg Collectibles, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in one of my Atlantic City videos, The Claridge Hotel. Congratulations, Nutmeg Collectibles. And here we have I Love Sugar, a two-story candy store with an adult beverage bar upstairs. Let's check it out. Many of you already know my favorite candy bar are Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. I also like Snickers, especially when they're frozen. I also like a candy called Goldenberg's Peanut Chews. They're becoming harder and harder to find, and I don't know if they're a local thing or not. Let me know if you've ever heard of them before. I really do like those peanut chews. What's your favorite candy? Leave a comment below. Hold on tight. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. This is that adult beverage bar that I was speaking about. You do need to be an adult to enter this area, and most of the cocktails feature, you guessed it, candy. Alright, enough sweets. Let's head back out to the Linq Promenade and see what else is going on out here. Some of the shops here at the Linq Promenade include Chili Beans, Club Tattoo, Gorin Brothers Hat Shop, Harley Davidson, Javiana's The Flip Flop Store. There's a Honolulu Cuckoo Company here, the I Love Sugar, of course, we were just in, Nectar Bath Treats, Pier 30 Razor, which is like a gamer kind of store. There's a Sky Shop, Socks and Bottoms, and a Welcome to Las Vegas souvenir shop. They're everywhere in this town, but this is one of my favorites here at the Linq Promenade. I walk the Linq Promenade a lot, and I passed by this Flour and Barley pizzeria many times and never actually stopped in. I did once. The pizza's pretty good, but it never made a video. I think next time I go to Vegas, which is going to be in about 2 months, I will do a pizza challenge and include Flour and Barley this time. There's also a In-N-Out burger here, and I have to confess I'm not a fan of In-N-Out, and please don't unsubscribe. I know it's a very popular place out there, but I just don't see what all the hype is about. Some of the restaurants you'll find here at the Linq Promenade include Flour and Barley Pizzeria, which we just passed, Chayo Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar, Yard House, Off the Strip, Virgil's Real Barbecue, a new one is Guy Fieri's Vegas Kitchen and Bar, Tilted Kilt Irish Pub and Eatery, Hash House A Go-Go, Favorite Bistro, Ja Burritos, Maxine's, Nook Express, The Boss Cafe, and yes, of course, In-N-Out Burger.
I've only done 2 videos on the high roller observation wheel. One was during a sunset. It's a beautiful video. It's actually one of the most popular videos here on the New York channel with about 40,000 views. Another one was like a cloudy, overcast day, which I really didn't appreciate that much. So my next visit, which is coming up shortly, I plan on going on the high roller again, but this time I'm going to take that happy hour car. All you can drink in half an hour as the observation wheel makes its 1 rotation. And I'll bring that video to you guys, of course. And in case you're wondering, yeah, the happy hour car actually has a bar and bartender in it. So we're going to make a U-turn here and head back towards the Strip, but before we do, I just want to stop in that Welcome to Las Vegas souvenir shop, one of my favorites in town, and I'll bring you guys along with me. We'll take a look at what they got.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.